gonna show you the stupidest, easiest ChatGPT side hustle that can make you a shit ton of money. And let me tell you, you want to save this video. Go over to Amazon and search a random product, like this Vitamix blender, for example. From here, you want to go to your Amazon Associate stripes, which you get when you become an affiliate for Amazon. Here is where you get your link, and this is how you get paid. Copy that link, go to ChatGPT, and write a 1-minute video ad script for, and put your link here. It will create a whole script for you. Now go to flexclip.com and go to templates. Find one with Blender, go to customize, and here you want to paste that script. Now, post this on social media and drive traffic to your affiliate link. This Vitamix blender video got 6.1 million views. And let's say only 1% of people who watched that video bought that product. That's 61,000 people. Now stay with me. Let's do the math. Amazon will pay you almost $60 for every blender that's bought to your link. This is how much they would have made. That's off of one product and one video. And you can do as many as you like. You didn't have to do anything because AI did all the work for you. And you don't even have to show your face. If you want to learn more about this method, comment learn and I will send you over all the info.